welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how to take care of your long, silky crochet braid styles. You guys know that I'm currently rocking the Kima Braid Ocean Wave. If you guys have not seen the first video for this hairstyle where I do the whole installation process, definitely be sure to check the description box down below, and I will also link it in the cards for you guys. Because this hair does require some maintenance, I decided I'd go ahead and share the products that I use with you guys and let you guys know all about my maintenance routine. If that's something that you're interested in, definitely be sure to keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting off today with some aloe vera juice. I picked this up from Walmart and just put it in my spray bottle. It's good for helping to moisturize your scalp, especially if you have natural hair. You don't wanna neglect your real hair underneath your crochet braids. So I like to go ahead and spray that first. And then you guys know that I have been working on making my edges a bit thicker. So I've been using this Mayel. So lately I've been using the Mayel Hair Strengthening Oil. I've been using it for about 2 weeks or so. So I'm just gonna continue using it and see what it does with my hair. If it helps it to grow back, I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. And then I just use my bristle brush and just kind of brush everything in. And that's all I'm gonna do for my leave out right now. Now we're gonna go ahead and focus on the actual crochet braid hair. So now we're gonna go ahead and focus on the actual crochet braid hair. You guys can see that it is a bit tangled, so we are gonna detangle it. The products I'm gonna be using today is by Hawaiian Silky. It's their 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. I love, love, love this product for crochet braids, especially silky styles. It works really well. I kind of just put a decent amount in my hand and just go ahead and separate the crochet braid hair. You guys can see I'm really pulling apart like the individual pieces, like how I knotted them in. And that works really well. You don't need to separate it any further. You might have to kind of tug at the strands, but just pull them apart and you can clip off anything that's kind of like ratty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut just a little bit off the end. And then once I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and twist the hair up. And I'll just continue doing this section by section. So starting off with the Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker, and then I'm gonna go in with a second product as well. The next product that I'm gonna use is actually by Cantu. It's the Coil Calm Detangler. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that all over the hair. At this point, I decided that I was gonna try to braid the hair instead. Normally when I do this to my crochet braids, I normally just twist it up into a 2-strand twist. But because this is such a loose curl pattern, I decided that I would go ahead and braid it up and see if I actually saw a difference in the hair the next day. So it's completely up to you if you want to do the braid. You can do the braid or you can do a 2-strand twist. Finished applying the products to the rest of my hair, and then I went ahead and put my satin scarf on. The next day, I went ahead and started working on my leave out. So I am gonna be using some heat for this style. So what I'm doing right now is just separating my hair out of the crochet braid hair because you don't wanna make a mistake and burn it. And then I'm just using a flat iron spray, and it's by Ultra Supreme. And I just go ahead and comb it through my hair. And then I use the hot comb just a little bit to get the roots. And then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron to flat iron my actual leave out. In the original video for this style, I did use a wand curler, but I feel like the flat iron just works a lot better.
And once I'm done that, I just go ahead and undo the braids. I didn't notice that there was a really big difference between when I normally twist the hair versus when I braided it this time. So either way you do it, it should come out fine. You just want to make sure that the hair, you know, is staying in place. I did use some of the Got2b Freeze Blast spray with my bristle brush. I just sprayed it on my leave out and just kind of brushed it in. I did decide to add a few more layers into the hair just to give me a little bit more body, and then I went ahead and laid my edges with the Style Factor Edge Booster. I do this routine on my crochet braids 1 to 2 times a week, but I only flat iron my leave out when I need to. Have you guys tried out this Kima Braid Ocean Wave hair before? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!